Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create smooth manga zoom editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before we start the editing, I'm going to show you how the result looks like. Okay, this is the result and I'm going to show you step by step to create this editing. Okay, first of all guys, you can create new project on CapCut and then you can import your manga photos or videos. It's up to you. And for me, I'm just going to upload all these manga photos and we can click on add, and then we're going to add audio or music. You can go to the audio and then select sounds, and you can add music or song from your device, or you can add music from CapCut. And I'm just going to choose this music. I'm going to click on this plus icon to add the music, and then we're going to add beat marks. So we can go to the beats and then activate the auto generate, and then I'm going to reduce the intensity, okay, and click on the check mark, and we're going to cut the clip according to the beat marks. Okay, you can split and delete like this one by one. We're going to match cut with the beat mark. Okay, like this guys. Split and then delete. Alright, and I have already splitted my clips according to the beat mark. And then now it's time to add keyframe to our clip. You can add keyframe. Select your clip and then add 2 keyframes guys, like this. And then you're going to zoom in on the first keyframe, and you're going to select this grab and choose flow 2. Okay, this one, and you can repeat this tab until the rest of your clips. Okay, you can zoom in, and then you're going to add grab, select flow 2. Okay, again for the other clip, like this, zoom in and add flow 2. Okay, and then we're going to add black flash effect. So you can go to the effect and then select video effect, and you're going to search flash effect and choose black flash 2. Okay, click on the check mark and you can make this effect align with all your clips. Okay, and you will create something like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create smooth manga zoom editing in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.